All of my 5-star reviews are independent, and I have no affiliation with the company that makes this product.
This is my 5-star review of the Hexclad 12-inch hybrid stainless steel wok. Now that I've had this wok for a while, I've had a chance to use it to cook a variety of dishes, and I've really enjoyed the experience. I'll tell you a few things about this that are really great. One is it is quite well built. It's got a very sturdy construction. I love the rivets. I actually would never buy any cookware that wasn't riveted like this. After spending years as a college student, having to tighten the handles on your pots and pans, it's just not worth it. Also, I love the look and feel of the pan. It's great to hold. It is a bit on the heavy side, but I think that you really need that because you need a thick wok that's going to retain heat. You definitely don't want something that feels thin and chancy. And that's one of my big complaints with a lot of the carbon steel woks.
Hexclad pans are triple ply, and they have an aluminum core with 2 outer steel layers. The aluminum core distributes the heat really evenly throughout the pan, and it also retains heat. The magnetic steel bottom makes the wok induction compatible. The fact that it's constructed this way with the 3 plies and that it also is non-stick is why they call it a hybrid pan. The pan has a non-stick coating, so you could scratch it. It has this raised hexagonal etching that protects the coating, and that's what gives the pan its long life and allows you to use metal utensils. Hexclad doesn't claim that their pans are completely non-stick. They want you to use butter or oil for sauteing and frying. I don't personally see a problem with that. I'm not interested in frying or sauteing things without using oil.
One thing I will say is that now that it's been seasoned, it's pretty dang non-stick. It's not that food doesn't build up or you won't get a fond on this wok. It's similar to cooking with stainless steel saute pans, but it's far more non-stick.
I could easily stir fry at temperatures well below 500 degrees, which is the limit recommended by Hexclad. And it's best to keep temperatures below 500 anyway. Cooking oils that are heated above their smoke point lose a lot of their nutritional value. They break down into free fatty acids and create compounds that can be carcinogenic and bad for your heart. So unless you're hard searing the occasional steak, you probably want to keep your usual temperature well below the smoke point of the oil. And not very many oils have a smoke point above 500 degrees. So that's why I recommend you keep in that range anyway. And then you're not likely to burn off the coating of the pan into your food either. I'm much more worried about the toxins in the oil that's been heated beyond its smoke point than I am about the trace elements of the coating coming off of the pan.
For quality, for construction, for aesthetics, for its tactile nature, and for just how great it works, I give this Hexclad 12-inch hybrid stainless steel wok 5 stars.
To see the recipe I featured in this video, go to my blog, loveeatfit.com. The recipe is titled Kung Pao Chicken.